What if I told you that you can build a professional website for your business in just 3 minutes without writing a single line of code and completely for free, and also publish it online with a single click? The AI tools we use here is V0 by Vercel and ChatGPT. Here's the plan. First, we'll use ChatGPT to write the perfect prompt for our website. Next, we'll paste that prompt into V0 to generate the website. Then we'll iterate this process again and again to get perfect website. Finally, we'll deploy it live on the internet with a single click using Vercel. Let's get started with no nonsense. Okay, first let's open ChatGPT. We need a great prompt to get the best result from V0. V0 gives us a $5 free trial credit, which is plenty to create a website with multiple iterations. Now I'll type like this. Give me PRD for a modern and professional landing page for a physiotherapy clinic, and so on. A para with the business details, and the full prompt is given in the description. Also, please specify the colors you need to use. I have given the colors in the chat. You can see it here. And now click enter, you can see the result, but the prompt is too long. Now again I am saying to ChatGPT, give me the prompt in the text box to copy and use it. Also reduce the matter by keeping the important ones, because I want to use this in the Vercel V0. It can take this long prompt. As you can see, I got the final prompt here. Now let's head over to V0. Here I will paste the prompt from ChatGPT. V0 will now generate our website based on the prompt. As you can see, it's creating a beautiful and professional design with all the sections we asked for. This looks good, but let's make it even better. Since we have $5 worth of free credits, we can iterate multiple times. I'll refine my prompt to add more specific elements. Note, please use ChatGPT to get refined prompts. Here is our final website that we have generated. You can see this, it is looking great and it has mobile responsive also. I have used WhatsApp as CTA, you go with your own preference. Once you are happy with the website, deploying is incredibly easy. I will just click the publish button. Vercel will automatically build and host our site on a free domain. And just like that, our website is live. Now you can share this link with anyone in the world. Cheers! And there you go, we have just created a professional functional landing page for a physiotherapy clinic and deployed it in 3 minutes with zero coding and at no cost. You can use this same method to build a website for your business. If this finds helpful to you, please like this video. Thanks for watching.